Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited recruitment for different streams: Management Trainee, Engineering Cadre, Boiler Operator for grade 2 post. Everything will be discussed in this video. If you're first to my channel, I request you all to subscribe so that you cannot miss updates. For Management Trainee in different streams, for Chemical stream there are 60 vacancies. The eligibility criteria is 4 years bachelor degree with just 60%, and the age criteria is calculated as on 31st July 2020, and the age criteria is 25 years for unreserved category, and for SC/STs 30 years, and for OBC 28 years. The qualification is a bachelor degree with 60% aggregate for the post of Management Trainee. In Management Trainee post, that is for boiler stream, there are 21 vacancies. The eligibility criteria to apply for this boiler stream is bachelor degree in any of these streams, either chemical, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, but they should also have a valid boiler operation engineering certification, which is the proficiency certification, so that they can apply for Management Training boiler post. There are 21 vacancies, and the age criteria is 25 years for unreserved category, and 30 years for SC/ST, and 28 years for OBC. And for mechanical stream in the Management Training there are 48 vacancies. Bachelor degree is required and 60% is required, and the age criteria is same, 25 years for unreserved category, and 30 years for SC/STs, and 28 years for reserved category. For Management Trainee electrical there are 22 vacancies, put together 9 for different categories, EWS. So bachelor degree for 4 years, and the requisite percentage is 60 degree, the final year of engineering graduation degree, and 55% for SC/STs, and the age criteria is 25 years for unreserved candidates, and 28 years for OBC. And for Management Training instrumentation there are 35 vacancies, and same is the age criteria, 25 years, and bachelor degree in 4 years is a required qualification. 60% is the minimum cutoff percentage, and 55 for SC/ST category. And this is for engineering cadre, that is in chemical. This is only OBC vacancies. There are just 10 vacancies, and the requisite qualification is bachelor degree with some experience. 60% is required. For OBC the maximum age is 35 years, so they should also have an experience of 2 years post qualification experience. So this is not for freshers. This is also there is also E1 cadre post officer, that is marketing, in grade E1 cadre. The requisite qualification is they should have MBA degree in specializations, MBA in agriculture business management, and if the specialization is not mentioned in the mark sheet, degree letter from the university specifying specialization will be required. The minimum percentage is 60%, and experience is 2 years. So for E1 cadre there is experience of 2 years. For assistant officer, that is E0 cadre, there are 14 vacancies. The eligibility criteria is bachelor degree, that is Bachelor of Technology in Agriculture, or minimum 4 years duration. So this is also for freshers. So for E0 cadre there is experience requisite, minimum 4 years of sales and marketing. So 28 years for unreserved category, and 60% of final year graduation is required. So another is a grade 2 post for operator trainee, that is chemical, and the full-time bachelor BSc in chemistry degree with physics as one subject, and the marks required a 55%, and the age criteria is 27 years for unreserved, and SC/ST 32 years. There are 125 vacancies for operator trainee chemical grade A6. And other qualifications is also mentioned: full-time 3-year diploma in chemical engineering and technology with 55% marks and 50% for SC/ST. The maximum age is 27 years for unreserved. Or another qualification is also mentioned: 4 years full-time diploma in chemical engineering or technology. The candidate should have secured 55% of marks or 50% marks for SC/ST, and the age criteria is 27 years. There are different qualifications for that operator. For another post, boiler operator grade 3, there are 25 vacancies. The qualification is just SSC. A pass with experience is required for minimum of 2 years as a boiler attendant or boiler operator. The maximum age is 30 years for unreserved category. So there is also another experience or another qualification. So experience of minimum 2 years as a boiler attendant or boiler operator. The maximum age is 30 years for that boiler operator grade 3. For junior fireman grade 2, that is grade A3, there are 23 vacancies, and the qualification is SSC. They should also have a requisite experience, heavy motor vehicle, and minimum age, the maximum age is 27 years. This is regarding junior fireman grade 3. So we will also look into what are the structure of the equal to E1 cadre with around, this is the pay scale for completion of the course. Around 70,600 in hand approximately will be given to management trainee. For officers of E1 cadre, E1 grade, the salary will be around 70,600 plus DATA HRA. For operator training, the salary will be, after training, it will be around 22,000 to 60,000. For boiler operator grade 3, salary will be around 22,000 to 55,000. And selection procedure will be of online test and personal interview as seen. And the tentative dates of examination is also given. So the tentative dates of examination, and commencement of online registration is from 29 June. The last date is 15 July 2020. The tentative date of examination is 15th August 2020, and the date of result is 24th August 2020 if the things go perfectly. So these are the tentative dates. You can see it from the description, the link of this official PDF, so that you will have an access to the site. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.